Hello everybody and welcome to Tech Kid. I'm Oliver and today I'll be talking about the history of circuitry. Oliver, seriously, a history lesson, really? Yes, seriously. Alright, just stay out of the video, alright? I'm trying to do something here. They need to know about this stuff. I mean, possibly we could do some circuitry, hands-on circuitry in the future. Sorry about that, folks. Let's get to it. A circuit is a closed path for an electron flow. There are three types of circuits that I would like to discuss. First is the parallel circuit, which has two or more paths for the electrical flow to go through. If one path is closed off, it'll go through one of the others. Next is the series circuit. The series circuit volts drop as they pass through the components, unlike the parallel circuit. And the third is the electrical circuit. This one has a closed loop. One commonly used wire when putting together circuits is copper. Why? Well, you see, the atoms are very closely bonded together and the electrons can flow very nicely through them. I don't get it. When prototyping circuits, you would use a breadboard. The breadboard was an actual breadboard, just like this one, actually. This is a very nice one. Yeah, Mom would kill you if you actually used that. Yeah, I know, just stop. The breadboard idea came from Ronald J. Portugal, and he invented it in 1971. Using a breadboard, put nails into it, and he was able to wrap copper wire around the nails to make an electrical current. One thing to note, he was from Detroit, not Portugal. Now, instead of having to lug that big thing around, inventors have made the breadboard a bit more portable. As you can see, this is more of a modern day breadboard, and it has 830 contact points. Really, you would just need to buy 830 nails, which you probably could fit on here. Well guys, thanks so much for watching this video all the way through. I hope you learned a lot today. I hope that you're gonna get out there and start making your own circuits. Like and subscribe and hit that notification button so you don't miss an upload. And stay tuned for videos posted every Sunday afternoon, and I'll see you in the next video with possibly some breadboarding.